Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a whiteboard animation video in Canva. This is great for explainer videos, tutorials, and presentations. It helps us present ideas in a simple and engaging way. On the Canva dashboard, all we need to do is click on Apps. Once we are here, we just type Speed Painter Animator. This tool is used for creating animations directly in Canva. Next, we go to our design and choose a whiteboard. As you can see, we have an empty whiteboard here. If we want to choose a hand style or set the sketch duration, we can adjust either of these options. Now, we need to upload our file first. At the top, we can pick a photo, like this one. We will animate this image, and once it fades in, we just need to click Animate Image. For now, we do not have any credits left. To animate an image, we simply need to purchase credits for Speed Painter so we can animate the image. Once we click Animate, it will automatically generate the animation for us. It will look something like this. As you can see, the result looks like this. The image now has a Speed Painter style animation applied to it. And that is how we can create a whiteboard animation video in Canva. With just a few simple tools, we can easily produce engaging and eye-catching content.